Kathleen is trying to prove that with adding a water diluted with sugar and make use of that water to these two plants compared to the two plants adding plain water, what do you expect with your hypothesis?
It will grow faster.
It will grow faster. The one that we. So how will you know that it grows faster? You what is the basis that it grows faster? What is your criteria?
Well,
you measure, yeah. You start with measuring first the stem,
yeah.
right? The length of the stem. Okay. So how long is it?
From the soil.
From the soil.
9.5.
9.5. Okay. For plant number 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is. Remember, this is plant number 2, and the measure for plant number 2 on day 1 today, right, is 9.5 inches. Now, the next plant that we have poured water with sugar on it, plant number 1, what is the highest stem here? Let's see.
There. So that one.
What's the height?
From here. 9.5.
9.5? Okay, 9.5. So this is our plants, the first two plants. And then we will compare to the plant without sugar on the water, right?
Yep.
But which one is the highest stem? This is plant number 3. And you mark it, right? Where you make sure that you really mark that stem. This will be the highest one, okay? What's the height?
9.5.
9.5. Okay, so 9.5 for this plant. Number 3 without sugar in the water. And where's the highest stem for plant number 4? Where you mark it?
There. But he is this one. This
Okay.
one.
And it's
9.5.
9.5 too. Okay. So these are the two plants. We'll separate them, okay, so that you don't get mixed up. Okay. Plant number 3, plant number 4, and our other plants are in here. Okay. So we have already started the experiment. We poured water into the other 2 different sets of plants, and we will do this experiment for the next 4 weeks, and every week we're gonna check them. Of course, we have to water them every. Are we going to water this every day, or only on Wednesday? Only on Wednesday and
Sunday.
Sunday.
Twice a week we water them.
So twice a week. So by the time we water on Wednesday, we will again measure the height for 4 weeks. Now, where are you going to put all these plants?
Outside on our porch.
Outside on the porch. And what else? Is there any special things that you have to consider in your experiment?
Keep track of all of them.
Uh-huh.
That's why we put numbers.
So numbers, you know which one to make a comparison, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be monitored every Wednesdays and Sundays for the next 4 weeks. And then we can do our conclusion from the hypothesis that, what is your hypothesis again? To prove that?
If adding sugar to water helps.
If you add sugar in water
to the
and make use of that water for the plants, there should be a difference.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what is your prediction? You predict that probably
It will grow faster.
the ones with sugar in the water will grow
Faster than the.
faster and probably bigger, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So that should be it. Thank you so much and have a great day.
Oh, can you put my plant there? Where the sun is.